Gina with WTI. Hydration is so important, and so is having clean and good tasting water. That's one of the reasons that I got this Waterdrop reverse osmosis filtration system. I cannot believe how much better our water tastes, and that's thanks to the 8-stage filter system that it goes through and that it infuses minerals into the water. This is such a nice system. It is self-contained, which means that you don't have to have a tank on the side taking up extra room underneath your sink. Depending on what kind of plumbing system you might have, the installation should only take about 30 minutes. When it's time to change the filters, the unit will actually notify you by changing these lights from blue to red. It is such a joy to be able to come out first thing in the morning and get clean, pure tasting water in order to make coffee, because of course that makes the coffee taste better too. So this will filter up to 500 gallons per day, which means that not only are you going to be getting great tasting water, but you can also share it with like all your neighbors if you wanted to. I've looked at other water filtration systems, and this is such a good value for what you get. You are going to be so pleased with how well it filters and just how amazing your water tastes. And that's my point of view.